Your name?
My name is Dibarathi Sanyal.
Where are you from?
I'm from a small place in the foothills of Himalayas called Siliguri in
How
West
long?
Bengal.
How long have you been practicing Sahaja Yoga?
I am in Sahaja Yoga since 2008.
With such a long time of your life devoted toward practice of Sahaja Yoga, what benefits have you seen in yourself?
Well, benefits are enormous. Um, it just doesn't, Sahaja Yoga just doesn't benefit us spiritually. It also benefits us mentally, emotionally, physically, even materially. So there is no point in our lives where Sahaja Yoga doesn't touch us. So yes, Sahaja Yoga is uh, it's a part of life.
With your experience, how do you describe Shimataji? Who is Shimataji?
Shrimataji is Sri Adi Shakti for me, and most of this, I mean, Sai Yogis, for all of us Sai Yogis, because we know who exactly she is. Because when we meditate, uh, we get to know through our, through our channels and through our realization, and we understand who Shrimataji is. She is Sri Adi Shakti, from where all the gods and goddesses have come. So Adi means, somebody who is ancient. I mean, who is the most ancient. So she's the one.
What is your relationship to Shimataji?
Well, I consider myself as Shrimataji's daughter. So when I am in my sestrar and I'm completely, when I'm completely surrendered to her, when I am Atma Swarup, then I am Shrimataji's daughter. Otherwise, I'm Dibarathi.
What is your message for other people who are still seeking, have not found Sahaja Yoga? Why should they practice Sahaja Yoga?
Well, as I said, Sahaja Yoga will benefit you in all the ways. This is a way of life. This just doesn't, help you spiritually, and spiritually uplift yourself, but also, as I said, mentally, emotionally, physically, and also materially, and in our day-to-day lives as well. Because through Sahaja Yoga, see, I mean, you have to understand what Sahaja Yoga exactly is. It is a process where you get to know your full potential. And how do you know that? You get through your self-realization. So that's the first process of getting into Sahaja Yoga. You have to get your self-realization and then slowly start meditating, and then you get to know yourself, get to know who the gods and goddesses are, get to know who Shrimataji is. So everything falls into place after that.
How much time and money do we have to spend to learn Sahaja Yoga?
Time would be just 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, as told to us by Shrimataji. You don't need more than that, because in this Kali Yuga, you really have to work hard to earn your living also. So 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, and Sahaja Yoga is completely free of cost, so there are no charges.
In case somebody wants to meet you, talk to you about Sahaja Yoga, the intent to learn Sahaja Yoga, will you be able to take out time for that?
Yes, absolutely. I'm always there for Sahaja Yoga. Although I'm working, but I'm always there. So please reach out to me anytime you want.
Which center do you attend?
I attend the main center in Siliguri, that is Subhashpalli.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.